Hi there. This is Lori, and Girl Bay sent me a question that you had about the marathon and the foot pedal. Since I'm videoing this just like by myself, I've got the foot pedal up here, and I'll be running it by my hand. But this is how you use it. Obviously, you turn it on with the on button, yeah, and then you turn it to the, where am I here? You turn it to the F, okay? You got handpiece, foot pedal, okay? So you turn it to the F. Now the cool thing about this, and how this works, is you do still manage the speed from your knob, but you maintain your speed with your handpiece. So let me just kind of, you'll have to listen more than anything, but you can get a good idea of how this works. Okay, so I've got it all set up. I've got it set on, I think about 2 on the marathon, and just listen to this. All right. Now I'm pressing this all the way down. This would be just like my foot. Now if I want to speed it up, all I have to do is go to this knob, keep my foot pressed down on the foot pedal, and you can see it's going full speed now. So I hope that answered your question. I know there's been other people asking the same question. So anyway, if it doesn't, be sure to shoot me an email, and I'll see what else I can do for you. My email is lcorbett@cableone.net. So that's lcorbett@cableone.net. So have a good day, and I hope this worked for you. Bye-bye.